I think we are live.
Yes, we are.
Oh, we are live. Hello.
Hi, we're back.
We were trying to do live, but I think something went wrong, so we are doing it again. So you can see it. I think we didn't see that video, no, Veronica? There was no video, so let me show you. This is Veronica. Lovely, nice haircut and very beautiful. Yes, so Veronica, can you turn your chair so everybody can see her and everything? Look at her, so gorgeous, so beautiful, so nice. Turn. Veronica, yes, thank you. Okay, very nice. How do you feel, Veronica?
It's beautiful. I love the colour and the style. Brilliant. I feel like a new woman.
That's very nice. Let me put the camera here. So, let me see. We're still live, Veronica. We are still live.
Yes, we are.
So, tell everybody, after all the time waiting home to go to hairdresser, you feel happier, no?
Yes, I have waited 3 months for this.
Yeah, 3 months.
And now I feel 20 years younger.
Yeah, lovely, nice highlighted hair, a lovely natural blonde. I'm so happy everything went perfect. Nice day today. So Veronica is ready today to party. Yes, Veronica, going nice.
I may go out tonight.
Yeah, very nice. Look, let me turn her see. Very nice, lovely highlighted hair. See, we cut just a little bit layer here, and then we put a natural blonde on some highlight. So, ready? Okay, we want to thank you.
Thank you very much for watching.
And we will say thank you. We will see you next time. Hope we see you without all this plastic tank and all the glass and everything. This is really disaster.
Everybody stay safe and have a good weekend.
It's very hard to work with gloves, with masks, with everything to protect yourself and to protect your customers. But unfortunately, you must do that to protect everybody. So we will say thank you.
Bye.
For watching, and thank everybody in the world. We love you. Take care and be safe.
Stay safe, everybody.
Bye. Yeah, I think it was here. Yeah.
That's it.
Wait